Chat. Oh my gosh, there's nobody here. I think I'm streaming at the wrong time. Oops. Let me ping the Discord. How's it going, chat? How about the Ludwig stream today, though? That was crazy. I tried to snipe you 11 months of Prime. That's so long. Thank you. Appreciate it. I think you are my 99th subscriber. And Brain Gamer TV, you are the 100th subscriber. Crazy. Thank you for the 19 months. Might as well get started, chat. Yeah, the Ludwig beat 100% went crazy. Chat, look at... I don't think you guys actually saw this. Dr. Moo, thank you for the 3 months of Prime. Appreciate it. So right before the test that occurred on Ludwig's stream, I added 2 pretty sizable features to the app. One of which is this little window. I don't think I did this on stream. I think I did this off stream very fast, which shows the current live Ludwig stream on it. So I did this. I made this. It like contracts and expands too. Pretty cool. And the other thing I did is I wrote code to save every 10 seconds. It saves an image to S3, which actually got working. So now we'll have every 10 seconds we'll take a snapshot of the canvas and we'll be able to see it. And those will all be stored indefinitely, which is cool. Yeah. I have it turned off right now because I accidentally left it on. And I think I had like several thousand images in my S3. I wouldn't be surprised if I get like a huge bill that Ludwig gets to pay for. No shot. I tried to snipe you. Crypto's a scam. Oh, wait. Is that making a time lapse of it? It's super easy to do if you have a bunch of PNGs. All right. All right. So, a couple things I need to do today, chat. Ludwig went crazy with Dolly. Let me tell this story real quick. Ludwig asked me. He was super excited when I said I had access to Dolly, and he wanted my password, so I gave him my password because it takes like months to get whitelisted. And then overnight I come back, I look at the generated image history, and it's like 50 images in there that he made. And then I look at my credits, and he bought like 700 credits, which is, that's only fucking $100 worth, Nothing crazy. But he was genuinely, I feel, excited about it. And then I gave access to Lily Pichu as well because, Why not? I'm now the streamer. I'm the supplier. I'm the dolly supplier. Um so yeah, it's fun. I think they talked about I forget about this. They talked about what was it? It was like Gartic phone but dolly. That might be a good project to work on after this. All right, a couple things I have to do. Looking back at my DM history with Ludwig. Yeah, okay, got a lot of stuff. All right, first off, this is not related at all, but this stream window, when you resize the window, it goes off the side, which I want to fix real quick. That should be pretty easy to do. Let's see. I have this clamp to window function, which I should just be able to do on resize equals clamp to window, probably, right? Okay, that didn't work. Oh, because I'm not actually running the code. Okay, yeah, that would help if I did that. What is this? This is connected, obviously, to the wrong server. Yep. Switch it over to the live version. Now when I resize the window, it stays. Okay. Or it shifts over. That's fine. I think one of the things that was mentioned was making this shit resizable, which I guess I can do. I don't wanna. But Ludwig wants me to, so I suppose. I shall do it. Okay. Alright, so making this resizable, it's harder than you'd think. I need to put some padding on the thing. Okay, so that gives me some padding. Be here with me. And I want. All right, cursor grab. I want this guy to be cursor grab, and then this to be cursor grabbing. Boom. All right, so now I can drag it from the top, and from the sides, I can't do anything right now. Let's give it a bit more padding so there's a bit more space to grab by. All right, so now we need to make it so that when you grab the corner, it'll drag, or it'll resize, I mean, which is tough. Resizing is annoying. And I'm rolling this completely from scratch, too, so kind of cringe. All right, how do we do it? We need something down there that we can grab onto. So let's make a little div. In the bottom right. With some width and height. And the background of red just for temporary. Okay, so now we can see it. So that is going to be the thing that we can drag. So on pointer down, stop propagation equals start drag. I'm going to rename on pointer down to start research start move. Start resize. Okay, and then we need to make the cursor be there's probably a resize cursor this is fucking southeast, right? Yes, perfect. Perfect. Or this should be start resize. Okay, so what is the width and height that we want it to be? Currently, what is the width and height? Currently, the width is 96 times 4, right? So it would be 384. Let's move that to 350 maybe. And then the height is always... The height is always aspect ratio thing. So I think we just have to adjust the width. Okay, so when we start move, I'll say if we're currently resizing, then we can't start moving. And same vice versa. If we're currently moving, then we can't resize. And I'll reuse the start X and start Y variables. So the width would be W pixels. All right, so we're going to have an if dragging block here, and then an if resizing block here. So if we're resizing, what do we do? Let's see if Copilot's smart enough to get this right. Oh, no. Is there some transition on this guy? Oh, there is a transition. I put a transition specifically for the size. Okay, let's take that off. See what it looks like. Okay, so we need to do on pointer up or dragging is false and also resizing equals false. That's one thing. Oh, wait, that actually kind of fixed it, didn't it? Oh, I know what's going on. Okay, wait, I can fix this, chat. Wait, hold on. I had this exact same problem. dragging or resizing. And now I think it's good. Hold up, look. Look at that. Look at that, chat. That was so easy. Clean, actually clean. We'll throw in a clamp to window. It's not a very expensive function right here. And now if I resize it slightly past the edge, it shifts itself over. Very cool. Yeah, sick nasty. Now, I need to restyle this, right? What's the little window resize handle? Yeah. What the fuck is this? Annie's Resource Attic. This is from 2009. I wonder if I can find a little icon. Oh, yes. Exactly what I wanted. Thank you. Austin Andrews, appreciate it. Yoink. And sploink. Yeah, that's fucking sick. That was easy. Okay, cool. Let's do text slate 200 maybe to make it a bit dimmer, maybe 400. And make it a bit smaller. Why don't we just make this whole thing in the SVG instead of mucking about with No. It was fine as it is. I do want to set a minimum width. And what happens when I shrink now? Okay, right now it shrinks the... It shrinks the... Okay, is this fine, chat, you think? Or should I make it shrink the whole thing? I don't know. Because I had it shrink down to class W48. Add a cross next to plus? Why? There's no close button. Of course it will remember the size. Yeah. Oh. Shit. All right. So this is my dude right here. No, where's my... Here's my dude. So width 300 pixels, 350 pixels, actually. And now it's still width is 273. Oh, it's not doing this right. Oh, I guess I can do, what is 48? 192. Okay. the song is. Hold on. Ricky Corona, thank you so much for the 18 months of tier 1. That's a ton of months. Just now when I shrink it, yeah, it gets small. And if I get big and then get small, it gets small. Nice. That's fine. Yeah, this is perfectly fine. Minimum width. Minimum width should be 200, I believe. Which is the same as this. And what does this look like on an iPhone? Oh shit, does it not work on a fucking iPhone? Why did this not work? Fuck me, chat. Fuck. Fuck. Doesn't fucking work. God, let me try it on my actual phone. Oh, detected Safari. Hehe. Nice one. Good job, me. Why is it not loading? It's not loading on my phone for some reason. Well, whatever. How... Why is it not firing it all the time? This is super weird behavior. Oh, it's because I have a VPN on. But this is actually accurate. This is what happens on my phone. Is it because of the stop propagation or some shit? No. Sheesh. Do you see this, chat? Does anyone know what... No, no one's gonna know what the problem is. Start move, pointer move, and then nothing. I'm just moving my pointer. My mouse is still clicked, and if I click again, now it's just working how I'd expect it to. Is something else interfering with it? Like, if I get rid of all this shit. Now it works even less. So get rid of all of everything except for this little guy down here. All right. Is touch move fired? Yes. Touch move is fired. Ah, fuck. Why? I mean, I guess I can just do on pointer move here. Ah, wait, this is exactly my issue. Touch action none. Oh, wait, is that it? Touch none. Oh, fuck yes. Okay, good. Yes, this works on my phone as well. Okay, good, 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 good. I hope this helps me solve other problems as well. Very, very good. Very, very good. Let's bring this stuff back. Okay, now it's... Here. I'll do... If resizing or dragging ev.stop propagation. No, oh, fuck. Yeah, there's a toggle right here. What else would this minus button do? It's because my pointer events are on the window. Okay, I have an idea. On the canvas, I have a svelte window. No, it would be on the zoomer. Svelte window. Here's all my shit here. And let me just test this. Really quick and dirty. What is this? Oh, this keeps on happening to me. Keeps on importing from the wrong thing. Well, why is my canvas not loading now? Shit. What's wrong with my canvas? You go to ECS. What's the status? What? Oh, wrong region? Oh no, yeah, it's US West 1. US to West 2? There we are. Oh, it crashed. Do I have logs on it? Oh, shit. Look at this, chat. Too many open files. Error OS. And it crashed because of that. Spotify's glitchy. It keeps on playing not the song I click on. I mean, this is fine, right? Because in the real event, there will be 100 different servers running, or at least 50 or so. And if one goes down, the other 99 will still be up, and it'll is automatically starting a new one. Like, that's the whole point of this. It's supposed to be nice and smart about this stuff. I don't King Kavath, but I am going to make one today. I just have to wait for this to boot up. Oh, it is booted. Booted and zooted. Alright, it has loaded. And now... Oh, and now we're good, I think. But can we still use the canvas? Yes, we still can. I can't click on it. Shit, I'm fucking everything up. Okay, wait. If I take out all of this, now it works again, right? Oh, no, because the canvas is turned off. The canvas is turned off. I was fine. I was fine. False alarm, chat. False alarm. The canvas was just turned off. So Ludwig was having an issue with his mouse, chat. There are currently 134 people in chat right now. And I know that most of you are tabbed out, but I need you to test this because I need to reproduce this somehow. Okay? Tab back in just for a second. I'm going to turn on the canvas for you guys. It's turned on. Yeah, okay. It's turned on. Let's just place some pixel for reference, right? Actually, let me just make it really small. I'm really happy that I built these admin tools as well as I did. All right. So, chat, Ludwig was having an issue with a mouse where he would zoom all the way in, and then when he zoomed out once, it would zoom him all the way out. That's the issue Ludwig was having. I do not have that issue. I need everyone who's in chat to visit this URL right now. Tab in, visit the URL, see if you can reproduce it. And while you're in chat, you might as well Twitch Prime to me. But, you know, This is more important. Happens. Yours does that. Yes, same issue, same. Not yours. I have that. That happens to me. Okay, a lot of people are getting this. Okay, that's good. That's very good. That means that I can actually reproduce it. So, I mean, I'm on Chrome here, and I'm on Firefox over here, and both of them work for me. Thank you, guys. I will now push something that will help debug this, and then we can take a look. Where's my on wheel? And then I want to say, that. And this should give me, oops. If I go here, go here. Okay, yes, I'm going to push this. Call it a bit of a debug zooming. And now we need to wait like 2 minutes for this to push. Also writing cross origin error, yeah, but if that's probably just YouTube, so it doesn't matter at all. Hold, chat. Hold. Waiting for this to build. Based on previous builds, it should take approximately 2 minutes and 22 seconds. It has been 41 seconds. So we have to wait for a whole minute? Jeez, what am I going to do? A minute? Everyone's going to leave stream because it's so boring. I guess you guys can work on the canvas, build something beautiful. Still going. What is it? 1 minute 25. Come on. What is taking it so long? It's taking a really long time to install. To fetch packages. It's taking a really long time to fetch packages. It took 1 minute and 54 seconds to fetch packages. That's weird. That's because you zoomed in via the browser, Toucan, instead of actually doing it this actual way, because you fucked up. It's your fault. Alright. It seems to be builted. Is it built? Yes. Okay. It's built, chat. So I need you now to all go here, reload your page, open up your browser console, take a look at some zooms in and out, and let me know when. So see how when I zoom in it's like negative 53? When I zoom out it's 53? I want the one that has a positive number here. Post your little message in chat. 0, 100, 0. Okay. Oh, hi, cat. Who's a good kitty? Oh. 0, 100, 2, 0, negative 102, 0, 100, 0. A lot of 0, 100s. Lots of 100s. Delta mode is 0, which is pixels, right? My cat just came in. Oh, she's so cute. Zero 150. Okay. Interesting. Okay. This gives me some stuff to work with. So it's 0, 100, 0. What? 1 minus EV dot delta Y. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, So I'm doing 1 minus EV dot delta Y time divided by 100. So delta Y is the number of pixels down that you scroll on the page. So everyone's scrolling 100 pixels down. Divide that by 100. We get 0. Wait, we get 1. So then 1 minus 1 is 0. So I think we just have to cap this between the minimum it could be is 0.5 and the maximum is 2. Clamp delta. And now we have to wait another 2 minutes for this to build. Let me pull in my list that I put in Ludwig's chat, my to-do list. Okay, scrolling perfection. Working on that right now. Resize player. Check. Embed chat. Ugh. Autoplay muted. That one I can do really fast. Autoplay muted. So I should be able to go to the stream frame. Okay, how does this work? YouTube embed API. YouTube embed autoplay. Okay. Oh, okay. Autoplay equals 1. Does that work? Oh, there's no live. I need someone who's live streaming right now. Like Sai Kuno. Oh my gosh, Crab Game. I forgot that game existed. What's his channel ID? How do you get channel IDs, chat? YouTube channel ID finder. What is this? Item prop equal channel ID. Oh, thank you. Okay, we switch this to Sykkuno. Okay, so this should autoplay now, right? It didn't autoplay. Scroll is good now? Oh, okay, yeah. It looks like it's built. I need everyone who was having the issue with it scrolling all the way out when you were zooming in after one click. Check back now and give it a shot and see if it feels intuitive. I'll fix Poggy Woggies. All right, Kat, you want to go out? Come on. Ugh. Girl. I mean, I have autoplay set now and it's not working. Right? Yeah, okay. Okay. Autoplay equals 1. Origin? Why do I need that? And I don't want to use this fucking player API shit. Shush. I don't know this song. Maybe it's good. Okay, so we can specify a playlist. Specify uploads, autoplay. End. FS, full screen. Oh, we want to set full screen to none. Okay, FS equals 0. Does this work? Does the full FS equals 0 work? Because right now we have full screen. But if I set FS 0, okay. Oh, wait, no, it autoplayed this time. Okay. Well, then that's fine, I guess. Can I disable captions also? CC Lang pref. Yeah, I don't think there's a way to turn it off. Okay, well, this is good then, I guess. All right. Cool. What now? Let's see. Autoplay muted. Check. Embed chat. That's fucking difficult. I don't know how I want to implement that. Do I want to make it like a expandy button maybe? Or maybe only if it's a certain width we add the chat in. That's gonna be weird though. Okay, can I turn off the suggested fucking videos? Rel? Okay, it can only show videos from the same channel instead of hiding all related videos. But that's fine. That's better than showing random fucking videos, right? Okay, I don't know. We just got Sykkuno videos. um, embed chat. How should it work? So currently, how the resize works is it is literally just based on your x movement of your mouse. The left and right movement of your mouse determines the resizing. The up and down movement does nothing. Um, which means that I wonder if it would be intuitive if we switch this to just be the Y movement. No. It's all based on X right now. Is this just you guys? Or is the fucking Ludwig community in on this now? QPixel, thank you so much for the Prime. I appreciate it. Live chat. Yeah. Yeah. Syrupy Pluto. Yeah, you can do that. The question I'm thinking of right now is where am I gonna put the chat? I think I only want, okay. Let's just play around with this. If I put in another iframe. Yoink this embed. Do I need this embed domain? Yeah, I do. Interesting. Well, then it could just be a window.origin, right? But that would only work. Fuck. What is window.origin? The window.hostname dot host or location.host name. But that's not gonna work in server side rendering. So localhost for now. So obviously this is no solution. Oh, is the stream gonna be ending? Fuck. Oh look, it's I have the dev version of truffle running, so it's printing out all the debug shit. Let me disable that real quick. Let's do a bit of this. Ugh. Yeah, so this is what I was worried about. This is kind of gross. It was gonna be hard to be good. It has to be really big for it to be good. God, I just don't know if it's worth having chat in there. Does anyone really care? Like, a lot? Is anyone, like, super disappointed that they won't be able to chat in the same page while they're on the thing? Let me ask Ludwig. How married are you to having chat on r/place? It's hard to find way to fit it in. This is breaking out. What's the chat look like? It still loads. It's interesting. Can you still chat in it? Yes, I'm not subscribed to Sykkuno. Okay, Ludwig has been messaged. We will see what the result is, but right now I'm thinking no chat. Just the stream. Which I think is plenty. Alright, let's look at the to-do list. Embed chat. Okay. Okay. Okay, so Ludwig wants there to be 2 different fucking cooldowns. This one's gonna be annoying. This one's gonna be annoying. Ludwig wants it to be 30 seconds if you have the truffle extension, and 2 minutes and 30 seconds if you do not. Mike Robot, thank you for the 8 months. That's a lot of months. So my thought is, for this, that we just export a list of all the truffle users. And then, because we have their Google ID, because we sign in with Google. And then we would have that list somewhere. So where's the cooldown verification happen? Is it in the backend layer or the WebSocket layer? Oh, it must be in the WebSocket layer for sure, right? WebSocket. Maybe it's in the back end? Oh, it's right here. Yeah, this is a clean bit of code. This is super clean bit of code. It's just filtering it. If P is less greater than equal to, yeah. So it checks the range. I only have to check if it's greater than because it's an unsigned number. Check if the color is inside the color list. Check if the user is banned. Check the cooldowns. Man, this fucking code, dude. This was so fun to write, but also, it's so satisfying to write, is what it is. It's frustrating, but it's so satisfying to make a huge Rust project like this work. And the only bit of jank in it is what comes from AWS. There's no like jank in the code, I feel. All right, so I need to export a list of all the users, and it's stored on the back end right here. So what I could do, right, is I have this list of this global data list, which currently has all the pixels. What is this? Canvas delta? Yeah, it has a list of pixels. And it has admin command. What? Wait, what? No, this is a delta. Oh, the delta, not data. Shared global data is what I'm thinking of. Okay, so that has the canvas, which is a list of numbers, a list of pixels. Has width, height, has list of colors that are active. It has the MOTD, enabled placement cooldown, banned users. So in addition to banned users, we would need truffle users, right? That's what we would need to do. And then the thing is, it would be very easy to spin up an additional thread, which is what I did for the history saver, right? What this is this is a thread that every 10 seconds it calls this code, which basically PNG encodes the canvas, right? Converts that to a list of bytes, uploads that object to S3, and boom. It just loops every 10 seconds it does that. It would be very easy to every, 60 seconds, we download a list of all the active truffle users, add that to the shared global data, sync it across, right? Yeah, so we could do that. We could totally do that. Something must have changed in me. I used to feel someone. So the RPC client needs access to the shared global data. Wait again. Oh, they must better. Holding on a soon. But we could just keep this empty. Truffle users, we could just have empty because, what? You totally have this field. Oh, it's because of that. Truffle users could be empty because we don't have to access it here, so we don't actually have to worry about it in this part of the code, which is very PogChamp. Yeah, I mean, this is totally possible to do. And not that hard to do, really. Yeah, this is not that big of a lift. Ludwig says he's fine with chat is not embedded. So we're going to X this off the list. Look at the sky, I'm still here. Okay, so truffle users is an empty hash set. All right. Okay. How do we deal with this? Oh, I need to add some stuff to this. I need to do restore from backup, one thing, and other add admin multiplace. Yes. How the fuck did you know that this is what I wanted to do? How the fuck, Copilot, did you know that this is exactly what I was gonna add to this list? Okay. That's just luck. It's not reading my mind or anything. It's just random chance. Yeah, I know. It's just random chance. Whew. Bit scary. Bit scared there. Okay. Yeah, truffle. So what is the truffle endpoint for getting all the users? Model TV. Mogul TV, you're still here. Let me check my Cloudflare dashboard. I should be able to find it in there. Wow, Cloudflare is fucking capturing me. Come on, Cloudflare, don't do that to me. Yeah, okay, fine. I'll fucking add that to my to-do list. Fix fast click no register. I know it's causing that, and it's not a big deal to fix. Okay, so the thing is v2.truffle.vip, right? What the fuck? v2.truffle.vip, and then what is the why is React in here in the bundle? Okay, so v2.truffle.vip/users. Not found? What? What? Not found. Is that the correct message that just pops up and there's no... Yeah. Why is this 404ing me? Oh, it's gateway/users. There we go. Got a fucking massive list of every single user on Truffle, hypothetically. I don't know if this is still accurate to everyone. But if I grab this guy, right? Inner text should be a big JSON.parsable thing, right? Okay, 100,753, that's a lot. That sounds like probably enough. But this is a big amount of things. If each of these is 1 byte, 24 times 100,753 bytes. I guess it's only like 5 megabytes of RAM. Rust hash set maximum number of keys. I mean, I'm just really worried, chat. I'm worried that fetching a 5 megabyte JSON document, parsing it, and then adding all of the entries to a hash set is going to be pretty slow, right? Even in Rust. And then it's going to fuck up my backend. So we'll call this Truffle Fetcher. Truffle Fetcher. Hello? Spotify? Is that the end of that song? Dang. It only takes one person to try to bypass it and then have 100 Google accounts. King Kavath. We'll do this every minute. We'll refetch the data. Do I have any HTTP server of any kind installed already? Like request? Yes, I do. How to use this thing again? Oh, I wanted to run a really big load test on this today, and I'm probably not going to be able to. Unless I stay up really late. Or actually, I'll probably stream again in the morning, chat. Const truffle URL equals this. Nakai, thank you for the 20 months of tier 1. That's a lot of months. Was the app I used to load test before? Fucking K6 or something? Yeah, K6. Oh wait, this response is just chill and cool. Wait, I don't want to question mark this. I don't want to question mark that. There we go. Failed to fetch truffle data is fine. Oh, res.json. There's a JSON method? Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Nice guess. Totally not what I want. So what is the response of this object? It is an array of arrays, and the first element of each array is a string. Great idea, Mandibles. Hey, I just played that song, Spotify, which means that most likely I'm going to want to listen to another song right after that one. All right. All right. So I can do let JSON equals res.json. So I need to now we await this, and we need to give it this a type. So what is the type of this? A text method. Text message, I should say. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a Discord bot for one of my friends. Really quick. But not right now. Okay, so this is going to be a vec of vec of vecs of the length of all this is 2. So it's a value, right? Oh, okay. No, we're just gonna do value. Value. Hello. use Serday JSON value, right? Gotta add this. Serday JSON. Oh, this song reminds me that Lily Pichu has a concert soon. I tried to buy tickets for it, but it was sold out in like 2 minutes or less. It was sad. No shot in hell, T8, T0. Okay. All right. So this is now running, right? Yarn WebSocket, Yarn backend. So this should okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look, it actually worked. If let okay users equals JSON. So hypothetically, if I put something in here that was not correct, like vecvex string or something, what would it say? Invalid type. Yeah, okay, very cool. Okay. Okay, add lots of items to a hash set Rust. You can extend a hash map with values from an iterator. It is faster than calling the insert manually. Thank you. That is exactly what I wanted to see. Um, hold. I'm thinking. I need to map this filter. No, I need to just yeah, I just need to map it. All right. So let user IDs equals exactly this. But not quite. No. Each user. We're gonna do a filter map to prevent issues from cropping up. So we have this user, which is a vec of values. User dot get 0. Can I put a question mark here, or is it gonna get mad at me? I think I can. Yeah, so that'll automatically, if it's none, it'll get rid of it. Okay, so we get the first item. Let string equals ID dot. Wait. Okay, wait. I got this. Match ID. And if it is, yeah, this. Yes, exactly. Thank you, Copilot. So now I have an iterator of string handles. And then we do shared global data dot write global data equals this. Then we do global data dot truffle users equals, or truffle users dot extend with user IDs. This needs to be a star here, right? Okay. Make this mutable. Cool. Put this in a little block just to make sure it doesn't get. Or actually, we do. What's the fucking? It's drop. It's right. Drop. The only reason it's a pointer is because it's I'm doing a get to it. But I think this is fine right now. And then we'll print out the length right there. Yeah, okay, so it got the number, it got all the users. What is the timing? How do I performance test this? Start time equals, thank you, Rust, or Copilot, I mean. Thank you, Copilot. Let's see how long it takes each fetch. Almost a second. That's a lot of milliseconds. That's a lot of milliseconds, but it is hypothetically on a different thread, right? But how long is it unlocked? Or how long is it write locked is the question, I guess. If this is like less than 10 milliseconds, I'll be very happy. Oh, that is, no. That's untenable. That's just not, that won't work, chat. This totally will not work. It can't be write locked for 100 milliseconds. It totally can't. Unless this only happens on the first fetch. So I'm now setting it to fetch every 10 seconds. If this takes, I want this to be okay. No. I mean, that's better, but no, that's really slow. Unless this println is part of it. But this is really slow, chat. Oh. I don't think this is going to work. For context, chat, let me explain why this is so cringe. There's the canvas exists. There has to be one copy of the canvas, right? There has to be one copy of the canvas which is shared between everything. Okay, I just thought of a possible solution, but I'll keep explaining. There's one copy, so that's called the shared global data. There's only one copy of it. So whenever someone wants to modify this shared global data, it has to basically say, okay, I'm going to modify this. No one else can touch it until I'm done modifying it, right? So it makes a write lock. That's what it's called. So in this case, the truffle fetcher it fetches the data. It says, okay, right here, I'm going to write some data to this. No one else can touch it. It writes the data, and then it takes 74 milliseconds to write that data, which is a lot, right? Which means during those 74 milliseconds, nobody else who's depending on this can read it, right? So the thing that's handling like receiving new pixels, nope, can't receive new pixels until this is done, which is really cringe. So the solution, yeah, is why am I locking the entire shared data? And the answer to that is because handiness, mostly. But also because most of this is updated from most of this does need to be all locked. Most of the time I'm updating all of this at once. But I think I can separate out just the truffle users and then have that be separate. No, but even then, even if just the truffle users is even if just truffle users is locked, I still have to unlock this. I still have to read from this whenever someone writes a pixel, right? To check their cooldown, I need to read from the truffle users list. So that means it doesn't matter if all of this is locked or none of it is locked. I still need to read from this thing. Can't you make a new map and just swap it? Good question. I don't think so. You mean read from the old one while the new one is being generated? Let me think about this. I need to get some water. Is there a way to do this cleanly in Rust? So the answer is I don't know. Oh boy, I almost spilled water all over myself. The answer is I don't know if there's a way to swap out that object like that. What is how do I share it? What's it called? Arc. No, RW lock. RW lock. This type of lock allows a number of readers, or at most one writer. An RW lock will allow any number of readers to acquire the lock as long as the writer is not holding the lock. The calling thread will be blocked until there are no more writers which hold the lock. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. I can try read, which what this does is it'll, if there is a writer locking it, then it'll just cancel, but that's not really tenable. So what is this? Parking lot. What is parking lot? Well, this looks just cool, I guess. Supports task fair locking policy. Drop blue fast path. I mean, this is cool, I guess, but like, RW lock, use old value. No, I just need to make a copy of all the memory. Fuck. Yeah, so I could store the previous data. It is a couple megabytes of data. That's going to take. I just don't like it. So the thing is that it is it only takes a long time when it has to update the data. So I could update the data once every 30 minutes. Which seems like a lot. And there still could be, I mean, it's just going to add lag, right? Crimson, I don't know if I thanked your Prime. That was 8 minutes ago. Okay. What if I did it manually? What if instead of doing it on a timer, it only could happen manually? And then what I could do is Ludwig, right before it starts, could be like, yo, download Truffle now if you want to be able to do it. And then, yeah. And then it would only be previous Truffle owners. Man, I fucking hate Chrome. I don't understand why it does this. When you zoom in and out. A spot on impression, thank you. I came up with it myself. That's a good idea, Nakaku. Nakaukwe. Nakaukwa. But I will suggest that that's not how I do it. Something along those lines, however, would be just constructing this. Maybe this will be faster. Oh, can't compile this shit. Hash set needs to be imported. And immutable. Thank you. No, I don't have to merge. Oh. Okay. That time it took 20 microseconds. That time it took 15 milliseconds, which is slow, but not that slow. It's weird that it took 20 microseconds the first time. Why is it so much faster? But this is doable. No, this is totally doable. Yeah, this is so much better than, what was it, 800? No, it was like 70. 60 to 90. This is feasible. And this could even, now this could be every, like, 5 minutes. Or 1 minute, maybe. A delay of 15 milliseconds. A human eye can't even see that. Every 5 minutes is perfectly fine. You don't know it's 15 milliseconds now? Yeah, me neither. Me neither. Me schneither. It's probably because it has to drop the old data or something. Right. As the stray night ends. Okay. This is much better. This is very PogChamp and cool. Okay, all this stuff I was talking about doesn't need to happen. I now have a perfectly good list of all the Truffle users that can be up to date as much as I want it to be. Okay, very happy about that. Now, I can mem swap and then drop the lock first before the swap set. Okay. Yeah. Mem. There's swap. Like that. Oh, I have to make these mutable pointers or something? Yes. Okay, I need my timer back. 113 milliseconds. Drifting on. Oh, this is the wrong place. It goes right here. "20 microseconds." Okay. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Ah, yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we're cooking, Chad. Now we're fucking cooking. 20 microseconds is infinitesimally small. Well, now it doesn't matter, Longoose, because even if I have to upgrade 100,000 entries, it only takes microseconds. Oh, okay, cool, 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 cool. Yes, nice, 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 nice. Serpy Pluto, thank you for the Prime. Appreciate the Prime subs. That puts me at 102 subscribers. You know, I used to have like 1,000, chat. Now I don't. Okay, so we got a placement cooldown. So we're going to have a pub truffle placement. How long does it take you? Truffle placement cooldown. I believe that's 30 seconds. And the normal placement cooldown would be 120 plus 30, which is 180. That's so untrue, 150. How do we tell the user that they have a truffle cooldown? Shit. How do we transfer this data to the user? Because currently we don't at all. We would need to have the truffle data in each WebSocket client. Shit. Oh, that's stupid. Oh, God. How do we... Firebase. How does this work? Verifying. No, no, no. It doesn't work. Gosh, darn it. Gosh darn it. No, you can't check if a user has an extension installed. Unless the extension has permission to access the page, I believe. No, I can't change the entire way my entire code works, Wicked Brand. Damn! How do I do this? Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Damn, I was thinking about this as if it was going to be the easy part. And apparently I completely forgot that it would be the hard part. Potentially there's something I could do on Truffle's end, but I don't have access to the Truffle website. And we can't publish a new extension version today. It takes approval. So can I access, let me look at the extension code. Wake up in your crystal sky, falling just to be alive. Shall not find nothing drifting through memory. Wake up in your crystal sky. So if this message listener, I don't really want to load a couple megabytes of user data every time the page loads. Maybe that's just me. I'd prefer not to do that. That's a glitch. Look at this glitch chat. Oh, it's still glitched. Fix your browser, Firefox. Yeah, so I don't think this will work. I could deploy another service, I guess. No, it would have to read. No, it couldn't. It wouldn't have to. Nah, well, it would have to read from the cache, I guess. That's fine. That's not too big of a deal. I was thinking I could deploy another Cloudflare worker that returns whether or not a user is a truffle user. Wait, that would actually be super easy to do. That would be extremely easy to do because I can just do a GET request to KV and I wouldn't have to load the fucking whole thing anyway. Yeah, wait, this should be possible. I think this is possible, chat. Before I lose my mind again, before I lose my mind again. What's this part? Serialized delta. Okay, so I have to add a field to the... Oh, this is easy. So the default's 150 now, and export const truffle placement cooldown is going to default to 30. I'm actually gonna not do this this way because it's just gonna be messy. I believe it would be easier. What's the change? Okay, I believe it would just be easier to copy this and rename it to change truffle. blah, just like that. And now cool. I still am. I'm just going through the entire code, just searching for placement cooldown and replacing or adding truffle placement cooldown, which is pretty messy if you think about it, but it's got to be done, I guess. Pixel selector. So this is where we need to figure out if I am truffle user. Truffle placement cooldown. Now I gotta run like Bebop or something. Yep. All right, getting there. Oh, I need truffle. Placement cooldown is 30, and this should not be 300, it should be 150. Is there anywhere else where I have 300? No, there is not. Cool. Error here. Okay, I gotta import this, right? Yep, okay. Canvas, truffle placement cooldown. I gotta import this as well. What the heck are you doing to me? What is this shit? Truffle placement cooldown. Okay. What are the errors in this file? Oh, a fucking... That's stupid. Alright, what is left here? Got some errors in here. Oh yeah, okay. Wait, this song kind of banger. Mm. Ludwig could never chat. Am I right? All right, so I need to make a new package here. Call it what? Fucking worker, I guess. Hold on. Why are you using npm as package manager? I obviously have yarn installed. Ugh! I really don't like that you do this to me, TypeScript. Regex me. Thank you. Thank you. Strict true and index, no unchecked index access. Love that one. Thank you, Theo. Okay, all right, okay. I feel like there's some weirdness with my packages on the front end. Like Firebase. Oh shit, I have like Firebase installed. I don't want the whole ass Firebase. I just want the Firebase auth. I feel like this is the old version of Firebase too, right? Hold on. Yeah, this is why it takes so long to build. Firebase npm. Yeah, upgrade to version 9. Yeah. Why is there fucking package lock here? Get it off. Get it off. Ew, ew, ew. Delete, delete. This is version 9, I guess. Oh, is there nothing? Or is there nothing that's like Firebase slash app? At Firebase slash app. Can I use this? No. Fuck. Okay, whatever. Damn it. That makes sense. Zen observable. All right. Here's my worker. Deploy would be Wrangler deploy. Wrangler dev, I think. That changed anything? It just changed the version. All right. What am I working on? Yeah, yarn def. No, please don't send stuff to there. This account. So I should be able to access it here. Hello world, thank you very much. Okay, so now I need to add a binding. I forget how to do this shit. Yeah, did you see the giant message across the screen, T8, T0, when you booted up the app? It's kind of hard to miss, I would hope. Hold on, no leaks. Shouldn't be anything leaky in here, but yeah, this is fine. All right, KV namespaces. I want to use the same one though. Thank you. All right, so what I should be able to do here is user equals env dot users. I should have kv namespace, right? Env dot users dot get, and then so I don't want to leak anything here. Actually, I know this might have details in it. So I get a specific user, right? Console.log user, and then let me hide my screen. Yeah, this is fine. Console.log user.id. Oh, I can set the option to JSON. There you go. Okay, here we go. So now, boom, I get the user and it returns the user ID. So now if I add something on here and I reload, it throws a fucking exception, really? Oh, because yeah, it's null. So, I'll literally just do if not user return new response null status 404, and then null status, what is 20, no, HTTP status codes. What's the one that's like exists? Created, accepted. Maybe it's there's no one that just exists. I guess 204. So now I need a way to pass this in. Rec.url. So if I do like url.pathname.slice1, that should get me. So if I just put this in here, right? That's a 404. Now if I put this in here, that's still a 404 because I have an extra quotation mark. And that's still a 404 because something else is wrong. Is this... Okay, I think it's working. It's just... Yeah, I think it's working. It's just not loading the page. Let me actually go to the network tab. Yeah, it's 204. Okay, cool. Pog. So it's working. I need CORS headers. Does this have the headers on it? Yeah, so full CORS access. um, fuck. If request.method equals get, no, equals options, I'm gonna return new response, null response. And then if request.method is not get, yeah, 4 or 5 is a invalid request, right? So if I go here and I do await fetch, status 204, okay, so that worked. If I go to the network tab, XHRs, let me do this from here. Await fetch. Mixed content? Oh, yeah, fair enough. Okay, so this is working. This is just super simple. This just checks if they exist. Let me add my... Why is the linting not working here? That's fine, I guess. Actually, let me just do this. Let me copy this over here. Now lint, copy, delete, back. Nice. All right, so this should work, I think, right? This should give me a... It should give me the worker that I need. Now I need to deploy it. I want to do workers dev equals true, I believe. And now yarn deploy. Okay, so it's not deploy, it's publish. Fuck, don't call it fucking worker. Call it mosaic. Did it make one that's called worker? Yes. Delete, delete. Where's the delete button? I threw an exception. Hold on. Key name cannot be empty? Okay, that makes sense. So I'll just do const ID equals this. And then user equals ID and now this shouldn't throw errors. Nice. Nice. All right. That was easy. Shit. This isn't gonna work, chat. Oh, this isn't gonna fucking work. Because I don't have access to this information, do I? Shit, they're keep my fucking YouTube IDs and not Google IDs. Fuck. Yeah, user UID is scoped to the fucking project, of course. Tenant ID? I can't get their fucking YouTube ID from this. Of course not. Of course I can't. Oh, no. I'm so stupid. Why did I do all this work of making the fucking worker if it's never gonna work in the first place? God damn it. I need sleep, I guess. I'm just not thinking straight. Maybe in the metadata, I'm just gonna print this whole thing out and hide my screen so you guys can't see it. And see if there's anything. Shit, my stupid, stupid. I have to fix this shit now. I forgot that I did this stuff. Let me just install the old version of Bebop. It didn't even change the definition, so it's not a big deal. Okay. There we go. I think I got it. Yes. Okay, so I'm looking at my user data right now. I have a display name, email address, is anonymous false. I have user metadata, which does not have anything interesting. It has last login, it has created at. It has a photo URL, provider data. That's the thing that could possibly be interesting because this has my Google UID in it. My Google UID is not the same as my YouTube ID though. And that's the problem. So the problem, chat, is that I have this shit long list of users, right? And each of these users is stored. The key is the ID. The key is the YouTube ID, and then it has a Google ID in its metadata. But it's keyed by the YouTube ID, so there's no way to get that. Fuck. What is this shit? What's this active chatter shit? Yeah, so there's no... Ugh! There's no way of doing it. There's no way. Damn, you guys are going sicko mode on this. There's got to be some lead buds in it. Oh yeah, they are on it. I'm looking in Discord. Has someone already made a fucking user script for templating this shit? I think someone's made a user script for templating. God fucking damn it, guys. Chat. Oh my gosh. Chat. Oh my gosh. I just realized. Even the other truffle solution that I already did isn't gonna work. Because that also uses the fucking stupid. The IDs are the ID system is different. Of course it is. Of course the ID system is different, right? Of course it is. Why would it not be different? I need to finish this tomorrow morning because I am tired. Was the issue on the truffle side? It's not a truffle issue. It's Ludwig wants there to be a different cooldown between truffle users and non-truffle users. And I stupidly wrote two solutions, both of which didn't work because I'm tired as fuck. But the I need on the back end. I mean, I wrote code on the back end to fetch a list of all truffle users, which is pretty easy, right? But that returns the YouTube IDs, and I need either the Google IDs or my local Firebase app IDs, which is of course not going to get into truffle. I don't think there's a way to get a list of all the Google IDs that we have in truffle. And then I also need. That's how I would do it on the back end, is by fetching from this every 60 seconds to sync it. But then on the front end, I need another way of detecting whether or not you are a truffle user. And I was like, oh, I'll just write a quick little worker to do it. But this wouldn't work because this would only work for again, if I knew the YouTube ID, but I don't. I just know the Firebase ID and potentially a Google ID. Yeah, it's a protected scope in Google. And I don't know if Firebase can even get the ID. It'd be cool if it could. Oh, this calls the YouTube API, but this is not going to be very cool in Poggers because uh the YouTube API, it has a really limited uh like I don't want to call the YouTube API every time everyone signs on. Also, I don't even think I could because I need the OAuth permissions. Chat, I'm gonna be a bit of a troll. Teehee. We do a little trolling here. All right, I don't know, chat. I'm gonna sleep on this. Um, and I'll probably be streaming early in the morning, so I gotta get to bed. But yeah, there should be a way to do this. I might have to do like a custom worker that does this caching action. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right. Yeah, I'm definitely going to bed, chat. In the morning, what do I have left to do? Stuff to improve scrolling. Fix this fast clicking thing. That's super easy though. Like I could do that right now. It's in like the pixel selector. I would just like do like it would be super easy. I would just change this logic to add like a half-second buffer. So easy to do. Fixing scrolling on laptops is something that is not a super high priority, but I have an idea of how to do it. The grid thing. Chat, do you guys... I feel like this is stupid. I don't think we need the grid over the entire screen, right? Like a grid over the whole thing is pointless. The whole point of this grid is like, it's super cool because you can like measure if you're trying to place a specific pixel somewhere, you can see a grid around where you're placing it. A grid over the entire screen is pointless. So yeah, don't really want to do this one. Scrolling can do that. Truffle cooldown, difficult. I'll have ideas in the morning. Restore from backup should be pretty easy. Admin multiplayer, probably the hardest on here. Fast click, easy. Yeah, we'll be good, chat. Yeah, just tune into the stream tomorrow morning, probably like 6 or 7 a.m. PST. Wait, tomorrow's what? Thursday. Yeah, tomorrow's the day of the thing. It's at like 1 p.m. PST. Just fine. It's done, right? It should be perfectly fine for the event. We're just adding like last minute polish. Yeah, I think streaming in the morning is more fun for me. Although it makes me zonked out for like a couple hours afterwards. But it's better than streaming at night when I make mistakes. Oh, shoot. Should I raid someone? No. I'll just go to bed.